Do you build or do you buy? It's a decision as old as time, and if you worked at all in the corporate world, you've probably faced this decision. But now with vibe coding, people are often trying to build everything, not realizing that spending all weekend tens of hours could cost you thousands of dollars. We're paying a $10 subscription for an AI clipping tool, which is probably more effective. And I built a tool to help you visualize this, called Build or Buy. Lack creativity, I know, but gives you two options. One, you throw on the timer, you see how much your time is worth, and giving you alternatives. Is the subscription cheaper? Is acquisition cheaper? Is hiring a consultancy, or even hiring an employee cheaper? And also project planning mode that throws up on a big screen, allows you to do some quick math to see what is the best alternative to save time, money, but most importantly, get those results. Let's jump into Build or Buy. So welcome to Build or Buy. When you first get to this page, you have to enter your project. So let's do Build the CRM, the classic thing everyone's trying to replace. And they have a few options here. What is your hourly rate? Sliding scale, you can enter it. And how big is your team? For this use case, let's say we're using, 8 people. Then you have this section selector. These are the different types of tools you're trying to do. Are you trying to replace design, data architecture, AI content, custom, marketing, and development? The reason you choose this is it then gives you comparisons. It will look at the top development tools and tell you, hey, this is the subscription, this is what it would cost to hire a consultant, and so on and so forth. So it gives you a few options to know what are the best use cases. Then you start the timer here. For this mode, I created 100 XP just so you can see. So let me move this down. So as you go down, more and more alternatives are showing up. You can see that we're spending all this amount of time. It would actually be cheaper for us to just buy versus sell than try to make our own hosting platform. And it goes farther and farther as you get through it. Once you're stopping it, for example, once you stop it, you'll see here, we'll terminate the project. You'll see here the alternatives. This is how much money you spend. It'd be much cheaper to do this. This is how much your project cost you. Just again, fun visualization. What I also built, which is also more exciting, or say probably better, is if you plan instead of just build, is a project mode. You enter the same thing, your hourly rate, let's say $150. We have a team of 10, and this tells you the options here. For example, for this, a small acquisition of a SaaS platform is probably cheaper than whatever project you're trying to solve here. And again, if you choose the different types of project types, it'll give you different alternatives. For example, AI content is using Midjourney and other AI tools, or development are using development tools, and design using design tools. And again, we have a few different options. We have the green, which is SaaS, blue consultancy, orange full-time employees, and then white an acquisition of a small company. And trying to make it, rarity, green, the most common, and kind of moving your way up. But then, as you can see here, it gives you alternatives. So this is just a fun way I thought of helping visualize this common pain point we see when build or buy. Oftentimes, we're not taking into account our time as a consideration. So this is just a simpler way of knowing how much actual spend we're using, especially as a founder. If you're using your engineers, they should be building other products rather than trying to reinvent end-to-end. Because at the end of the day, that $20 subscription isn't going to burn or break your business, but spending all week trying to replace it might. So if you guys enjoy this build, stay tuned for whatever we hold next week as we get more and more exciting, build more and more exciting tools, and follow along and subscribe for more, because every week a new and exciting build, and let's keep getting exciting and keep making fun builds. Hope you guys enjoy. On to the next one.